Domestic violence from possessing or purchasing a gun clears its first hurdle. The prohibition already exists under federal law. This bill would clarify Arkansas's law, giving state and local agencies the power to handle the cases. Character for Jess Tuner joining us now live with the very latest on this. Hey, Jess.
Yeah, hey, Bob. So opponents argue that the law violates the Second Amendment, but supporters say the bill isn't meant to punish anyone for life. One domestic violence survivor shares how it could have helped her.
On March 18th, 2013, my life took a violent turn.
Nearly 6 years ago to the day, Jessica Rogers' estranged husband attacked her.
I remember my ears buzzing with a static sound, turning to silence as my body hit the floor.
She tells state lawmakers his punch knocked her unconscious, but she wasn't the only one home.
It was the sound of my 4-year-old daughter's cries that forced my eyes to open. She was standing over me, saying, "Mommy, please wake up."
He was charged with second-degree domestic assault and pled guilty. It then took Rogers 4 months to get an order of protection, during which time she remembers he continued to harass and stalk her.
The fear of him showing up at my home with a gun was a real and tangible threat. During the waiting period, things could have easily turned deadly for me.
It didn't. But last year, there were 41 domestic violence homicides in Arkansas. More than half were gun deaths. That's why Rogers is fighting for a bill that would clarify state law with federal law. Arkansans convicted of misdemeanor domestic violence cannot possess or purchase a gun. Opponents argue the law violates human rights, but a retired state police captain and the co-sponsor of the bill pushed back.
There's been some misconception, and I just think for the record we need to establish now, does this in any way add any additional restrictions to anyone's gun rights?
This adds no additional restrictions to anyone's gun rights.
When it came time for the vote,
please say aye. Aye. Any opposed?
The only opponent was Republican State Representative Cindy Crawford, the CEO of a women's crisis center, but also a defender of gun rights. And that bill now moves to the full House. Police chiefs also support it, saying domestic violence calls lead to more officer fatalities than any other. Back to you.
All right, Jess, thanks.